Blanket stitch, like whip stitch, has a dual function. Its purpose is to bind two pieces of fabric or felt together, much like whip stitch, and it can also provide a lovely decorative edge, like whip stitch can. Start the blanket stitch by coming up between the two pieces of felt. Wrap the embroidery floss around the two pieces of felt and come back up at the same point that you started. As you pull the thread, you'll create a loop. Catch that loop by popping your needle through the loop and pulling nice and firmly. Not too firmly, but firmly enough. Keeping the stitches nice and even, repeat the steps that you followed for the first stitch, remembering to catch that loop as you do so.